Okay, it's November 23rd, the day before Thanksgiving, and this is what we woke up to this morning. Water everywhere. All around us. It's coming straight in from the ditch out there that's plumb full. And into the garden shed. And into the garage. All around the garage, all around the shed. There's only a little tiny strip of land clear in the back in the back there that's sticking out of water. Gotta move the van out so I can get the other one out of the garage in case I have to evacuate Father. The cats are about ready to drown. That's coming up the ramp. Okay. Whoops. Stepped in it. There's only just a little patch of the driveway that's up above it. And the rain's supposed to stop pretty soon, and then the storm number 3 is supposed to come in. So happy Thanksgiving, 2011. Wow. Oh well, it could be worse. Could be in the house. Might get there yet. Yeah. See trains sitting out there in the track. The plant farm too is just one big lake. My 2 empty garbage cans are floating out there at the end of the house. And that green alligator, it's made out of cement, so it's down under the water. Can't see it, but it's there. My pond is in there too somewhere.